Ebonyi State. These are top 10 richest people in Ebonyi State according to Current Affairs in 2026. Top 10 richest people in Ebonyi State. Number 10, we have Martin Erechi. Martin Erechi is into politics, real estate, and farming. His net worth is $65 million, which is about 100 billion naira. He's number 10 richest person in Ebonyi State. Number 9 richest person in Ebonyi State, we have Sam Egu. Sam Egu is also a politician into education and also into real estate. His net worth is $75 million, which is about 120 billion naira. Number 8 richest person in Ebonyi State is Chibuike Ologu. Chibuike Ologu, known as Bebioko, is number 8 richest person in Ebonyi State. He's into liquor production and manufacturing. His net worth is $100 million, which is about 150 billion naira. Number 7 richest person in Ebonyi State is Chief Fidelis Opata. Chief Fidelis Opata is the CEO of Fixing Healthcare PLC. That's why I said whether you're a social media person or not, it does not concern bank. So the reason why they do not provide his picture, maybe he's not a social media person, but bank detects his net worth. So he is number 7 richest person, Fidelis Opata, number 7 richest person, with a net worth of $150 million, which in naira about 200 billion naira. Number 6 richest person in Ebonyi State is Christian Okoro. Christian Okoro is into agriculture and exporter. His net worth is $300 million, which in naira about 500 billion naira. Number 5 richest person in Ebonyi State is Sunday Nwankwo. Sunday Nwankwo is into logistics and also a real estate developer. His net worth is $370 million, which is above 600 billion naira. Number 4 richest person in Ebonyi State is Julius Nwobo. Nwobo is into salt mining and rice farming. His net worth is $410 million, which is above 650 billion naira. Number 3 richest person in Ebonyi State, we have Ifeanyi Odi, known as Anyi Chuks. Anyi Chuks is a business mogul and also he is the CEO of Chubi Zion Group of Companies. Zion Group of Companies, they are the one that also produce Bebioko because Bebioko is under their production. So he is the CEO of Chubi Zion Group of Companies. Now, Ifeanyi Odi, known as Anyi Chuks, his net worth is $560 million, which is about 850 billion naira. Number 2 richest person in Ebonyi State is Edward Uwego. Edward Uwego is into real estate and also construction company. Now, Edward Uwego is number 2 richest person in Ebonyi State with a net worth of $580 million, which in naira above above 850 billion naira. Yes, above 850 billion naira. So let's say his net worth is almost 900 billion naira. Yeah. So number 1 richest person in Ebonyi State. Please, if you like this my video, follow my page for more updates because I'm going to post about richest people in Abia State, richest people in Abia State tomorrow. Follow my page for more updates. Kizi to the K Driver on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, and also on Instagram. Thank you and God bless you. Number 1 richest person in Ebonyi State is Dave Omaye. Dave Omaye is into logistics, is into industries, and also a politician. His net worth is $720 million, which is about 1.2 trillion naira.